Hey guys, I'm making this quick video. If you have the Viewsonic xg2431 and you're looking for the best settings that you can do, there is going to be an ICC profile from the ratings.com. For me, that's one of the best sites for reviews and things like that. So when you're going to write a ratings.com xg2431, go to this website, and here you're going to write ICC to Control F to search for it. It's going to be under the color accuracy. And here you're gonna have ICC profile and you want to click download. Now you're gonna have it right here and you're gonna have downloaded. So what you want to do is pretty simply, you want to go to advanced display settings. So in a search with advanced display info, and you can have advanced display settings here. And what you want to do is, like, pretty simply, you want to have display adapter properties. Then go to color management, and in devices, you just want to click add and add it. So that's how it's done. So you're gonna do color management, and here you will add the ICC profile. And that should be it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.